Do you remember when IOTA made it to mainstream media, not because of some crazy adoption, but because of an online seed generator scam? It was basically a website that offered you to generate a seed really quick and convenient, and it was online. And I will offer you the exact same thing today, but I'm not pulling a scam like this guy. This guy went to prison, man. He got caught. 10 million euros in damages. Holy moly. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not a criminal, but still that video title holds true, so keep watching and find out how you do it. Yeah, what's up guys, Multi here. Today in English for, a broader audience. We go to code spaces, and this is the way we can create safely, in secure kind of way, passphrases like seeds, not seeds, but 24 words passphrases that translate into seeds. So under the hood, IOTA and Shimmer, they still use that, what was it, 81 characters long seed. Under the hood, that is still used, but you can't just come up with 24 words. You have to generate it, and I can prove that and show you. And this is how you can do it online and in a secure way. So you have to log in to github.com, then go to /codespaces and just use the blank template. And I've tried that several times, so I have to delete my code space. And this is really important to make it secure. Later, please delete your code space, so get rid of all those space acorns. Holy shit. So use this template. We spin up a new instance, and we're going to install the wallet RS Node.js bindings thingy, the software that runs Firefly and Firefly Shimmer. So we used actually the same kind of functions, the same kind of code. So this thing is spun up. I don't know, I'm not the best in English. But here I go, I try. And we need two packages, .env for handling env files and add IOTA/wallet. And I should write npm install. Now I just wrote npm, and it can be kind of laggy. You just saw that. Okay, so the thing is installed. We go to node modules. With this all the stuff we installed. So we go to wallet, we go to examples, we go to exchange. So what is meant with that is those are the examples for the exchanges to work with, so they can list Shimmer and IOTA more easily. So we open this up here. Now we can just run this. So what am I actually doing here? I'm doing it wrong. So do node and then 0. Where's the 0 right here? So we run that code, and now we have our mnemonic. So you will get not this mnemonic, you will get a unique mnemonic. Let me intervene here real quick. So now you're actually done. You have the 24 words, you can just paste them inside Firefly and you're good to go. There's no need to generate it inside Firefly and then write it down by hand or take a screenshot. Now, if you want to know how you even can generate your stronghold file real quick, then keep watching. You copy it, you create a new file here, .env. And you're gonna write mnemonic and place it in here. Winner. Yeah, I like that. Now we want to generate also a stronghold file, which we can import to Firefly Shimmer real quick. So create account. Now here I change that from testnet. Why is there even testnet for Shimmer? Shimmer is the testnet or the staging net, right? So change that. That is really important, so we don't mess up with the addresses later. And I can show you we have the same addresses here and in Firefly Shimmer in the wallet. This thing. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to run this, but first we need to set a stronghold password, right? And here you should use something secure. Still, this password, if somebody gets hold of that password, he still needs access to your machine, so your local machine, where you have Firefly. But still, make that password secure, not like me. I just use space waffle here. Now we are good to go to create an account, create the wallet.stronghold file. It's really easy. So we're just going to write node and then create account .js, and it creates that account, and it creates, whenever we have to refresh here. You see, here's the database and here's the stronghold file. So I'm gonna just download that file. Okay, I did that before, tried things for that video, and I will just place that on my desktop. Before we import that file into Firefly Shimmer, and I show you more inside the wallet, first I want to go here and check balance. Obviously the balance will be 0, but still it should reveal to us the addresses, and then we can compare those addresses and actually prove that we have a valid mnemonic, valid stronghold file, and all that kind of stuff. So we see we have an address here. ending with XXQ. So now we go to Firefly Shimmer, add profile. Now we don't create a new Shimmer profile, you know, where you create a profile, we did that, and generate those 24 words, and then we have to, you know, type them again. I just did that. And you have to manually select every word. And this is not, you know, developer friendly. It's user friendly, but not developer friendly. So okay, restore Shimmer file. And I'm going to use the stronghold backup here. And now I just drag and drop that file. There it is. Drop it, continue. Now, password is actually that password right here. Something different will not work, you see. So I have to use that one. Continue, now name it really fast. Imported. Or created wallet V really fast V is W, sorry. So pin, set the pin, you're done, you're done. And you see it's XXQ, it's the same wallet. Now what you can do is you can log out here, do that again, restore, use 24 words right here, bring them in here. You see it's working. Now when we change one word like 3 to, I don't know, 2, it doesn't work. So you cannot come up with that, with those 24 words just like that. You have to generate them. So continue here, continue fast W with mnemonic. Create a, now this is the downside here, so we have to create password here. You can use that stronghold password. Now pin, continue, skip file back. So what was that password? It was a password to unlock your wallet. So this would be now the stronghold password. We can skip it. We have the file. Finish setting up. And now we have XXQ. So we can generate our account really fast online. It's not a scam. But of course, you should then close that and delete that code space. Think of what you do with those passwords, where to copy them. Yeah, so now I'm actually screwed. When you think about it, I didn't copy the stronghold password. So yeah, be sure to you know, always store those passwords. And this way you can generate real quick mnemonics, stronghold files, and you don't have to go through that process of, you know, screenshotting those words or writing them down and then selecting them each by each and so on. This is a really fast way to set up your account. So yeah, hope you found that informative. And yeah, normally I would say please subscribe. I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of English speaking content. So that's that. Now you know me is multi. Peace out, multi.